I think I want to go this way. Maybe I'll go ride in the parking garage. That sounds like fun. I haven't been in there in like forever. I don't think I need anything special thing to get in there. Just gotta find the entrance. I wonder if it goes all the way to the top. I don't know if there's parking. Yeah, it looks like there's parking all the way up to the top of it. Maybe I'll go in there and there'll be a couple college students bumping uglies in the backseat of their car or something. Who knows? It could happen. I don't know if there's just an entrance and an exit. It's gonna be dark in there though. There ain't nobody in here. I'm always afraid I'm gonna hit my head on these things. So I'm like 6 foot tall and I got a helmet on. God, I just feel like I'm gonna hit my head the whole time. That would like totally suck. If I stood up, I'd definitely hit my head on this shit. I guess it only has 2 levels. It goes up and it's up here. Cool. Oh, I forgot to check my camera angle. I hope it's not hasn't been pointing down too far this whole damn time. Looks like it may have been. Oops. Crap. I don't think I've ever actually been up here before. Well, that's that, so I'm going to go back down now. That was really exciting. It's really bright up here. I don't like this. My eyesight doesn't like coming out of the darkness into the brightness like that. I'm going to coast slowly down this. I'm having an anxiety moment for some reason right now. I don't know why. It's because of new territorial area. That's why. It's your brain is like trying to map what you've just ridden over, and it's like making you feel weird. I talk to myself in the third person when I'm having an anxiety situation. I know I'm not going to hit my head. It just feels like I'm going to hit my head. It's so weird. That feels better. I'm scared of parking garages now too, damn it. If I ever went on an e-bike group ride, if I ever went to LA or something and went on those big rides where they go up the damn parking garage, I'll be like, I'll be down here, guys, sorry. I'm scared of parking garages apparently. I have a phobia. And let's say if I'm in a car, I have no problem going in a parking garage, but for some reason when I'm on my bike, it bugs the living crap out of me. And I didn't know that until just now, because I've ridden in this parking garage before. That's really confusing. It's very disconcerting.